Raise your board. And raise your board, please. Alaska. We got the winner.
Welcome to Samsung Galaxy Unpacked.
Honestly, I was really impressed with the ecosystem. I mean, everything is connected now. I think this is the future and Samsung is way up there.
So we communicate through live translator from Spanish to Korean or the other way around, and we made friends, went to take pictures all around the city.